We'll guide you through how to use the Asana project management tool effectively on your desktop. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to Asana's website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly sign up by following the prompts. After logging in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. Here, you can see all your existing projects or start a new one. To create a new project, click on the plus sign or Create Project button, usually located on the left-hand sidebar. You can choose between different project templates or start from scratch depending on your needs. Give your project a name and select the format you prefer, such as a list, board, or timeline. Once your project is set up, you can add tasks by clicking on the Add Task button. Enter the task details like the name, assignee, due date, and any additional notes or attachments. You can also break down tasks into subtasks and assign them to different team members for better organization. If you want to track progress, make use of Asana's timeline feature by dragging and dropping tasks to create a visual schedule. Don't forget to check the calendar view for an overview of deadlines. For collaboration, use the comment section on each task to communicate with team members. This keeps all discussions in one place and is great for reference. You can also integrate Asana with other tools like Slack or Google Drive to streamline your workflow. Remember to regularly check your inbox in Asana for updates and notifications about your projects and tasks. This helps you stay on top of any changes or feedback. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.